Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd come out and harvest our potatoes. They died off quite a while ago with all the heat and drought that we had, but the ones that I have dug so far, they've done good. So today, before it rains on us again, I think Monday and Tuesday, today's Saturday, I'm not sure when this video will be uploaded, but anyway, I figured I'd come out here and dig all these up, see how many we got, see how good they did. So I'm gonna get to it. So here's where the potatoes are planted. On this end closest to the camera, I've already dug some. You can see I've got some weeds that have grown up in there. I did weed eat some of that the other day, and some of the weeds have grown back, but it'd be okay. Down at that end it's not as bad, but I'm gonna get to it. Hopefully this ground's halfway loose. Should be. I had them healed up pretty good, so I'm about to find out. Oh yeah, I see some already. I do wish I had a nice broad fork, but a shovel will have to do for now. Oh yeah, that's a good tater right there. That's a real good tater. Hopefully they produce good for us. We did have a pretty good dry spell, and I didn't really water them too much. It's a pretty good looking dirt in there. But hilling them up like this, you know, for one thing, keeps them covered up so they don't turn green on you. If they turn green, they get a little poisonous, but also it just keeps the ground pretty loose. That way it is easier to dig them up. I do wish I had a broad fork. I guess for next year I might have to invest in one of them. They're just a little pricey. Oh yeah, there's some good taters going on in there so far. Take it. And these are, I don't know if I mentioned, these are Kennebecks. Yeah, that's a good one there. They make awesome mashed potatoes. To be honest, it's the only kind that we've ever grown, just because we really like them. They got a good thin skin on them. Oh yeah, this ground's pretty loose. Can't complain. Some good taters. I will take that. And I don't know if y'all saw the video I did on the potato beetles and how I treat for them. Didn't have any problems this year at all. I sprayed the spinosad on them, and that kept them in check. I've seen them twice all season, which that's unheard of for me. I always have trouble with potato beetles. This year I got lucky. It worked. Some fine potatoes. I'll definitely take that. I've been pretty anxious to get out here and dig them, but with the weather, it just hasn't been conducive to digging because we've gotten some pretty good rains and the ground's just been too wet. So between that and work and doing other things, it's the first opportunity that I've had to come out here and dig. I just want to show y'all a couple of these potatoes real quick, but they are some good ones. Maybe we'll get some bigger ones.
Hi guys, I'm going to be putting these potatoes in this wheelbarrow. awesome day today.
Alright, you ready to load up these taters?
Yep.
Alright. Don't step on them. Just put them in the wheelbarrow. It's okay. Well, wash them clothes. Even Blackjack wants to help.
Okay. Blackjack, you better stay out.
He's just nosy.
We're gonna eat these mashed potatoes tonight, right?
No, not tonight.
Yeah,
Don't step on my dirt pile. That's where I'm digging.
Mashed potatoes. Oh, here's a
You have to stand over there because I'm going to be digging right here.
right there. Why?
That's where the taters are.
Oh.
See, you got a whole pile to pick up there. You scoot over on that side, and I'm going to dig right here.
Another potato.
What's in that ring?
Glue.
Glue. Why you got glue?
Uh-oh, I'm sticky.
Now take that off and put it over on that table.
Yo, look at this!
It's a baby.
Daddy missed this.
I didn't miss it. So far we got a lot more than I thought we would, but probably won't be much more commentary. I'll probably fast forward or speed up this part till the end. We get them all, and then we'll show you the wheelbarrow how many we got, right?
Hey guys, next year we're gonna have a garden down there, and Dad's already made it. And I call that one a mini garden. Mom got new lettuce.
Well, I was gonna keep going with the last part and just speed it up, but I'm starting to lose light, so I am gonna keep it going. I don't know how the video will do. I might have to cut this part out, but when we finish, I'll wheel the potatoes into the garage and show you what we ended up with. But I'm gonna keep letting this run. Alright y'all, I had to finish up while it was getting dark. I didn't realize how late it was. I ran out of daylight. Sounds like I'm out of breath. It's because I am. It was a chore. I think Broad Fork probably maybe be a little easier, but I don't have one. You can see I got a little bit of a blister there, so the shovel was not too friendly to me, but I think we got a pretty good amount. I'll face the camera over here so y'all can see. Hang on. So there's our harvest. Not bad. I don't know how long my rows are. I'm guessing they're probably 25-foot rows, 2 of them, but we got some good ones. I mean, there's some smaller ones in here, but we got some good ones. I mean, overall, with the drought conditions that we had in June and July, and I didn't really water them but a couple of times, I'm pretty happy. So can't really complain. But that is our 2022 Kennebec potato harvest. And I guess next will be sweet potatoes. Alright, just want to get the camera turned back around. Like I was saying, next will probably be sweet potatoes. I'd say maybe a couple weeks I'll dig up one little section and see how they're doing. I really don't know. I can't remember when I planted them. Everything I've read said 90 to 120 days. They're Bollgard, so I'll probably, like I said, a couple weeks I'll probably dig them up. I'm excited about them. I've never grown sweet potatoes, but that's our potato crops for the year. But as always, thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed already, we'd really appreciate it. Share, like, all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.